Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Dacia Duster. So this is a two-owner vehicle that comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth. On top of this, you also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre diesel engine that gives you 108 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 22,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.